Hello guys, Devjyoti here from webseotips.com, and today I'm going to tell you how you can design or develop a professional website by using Betheme in WordPress. And for today's tutorial or for today's video, I'm going to show you this website how you can build by using Betheme. You can see it's a very awesome, nice, beautiful, professional website. See, and it's totally responsive also, and I'm going to tell you in like that way. I mean, if you don't have any kind of HTML CSS knowledge also, then also you can design this beautiful website. See what the perfect, I mean, this website is perfect in all way. It's totally responsive and it's awesome actually. So for that, I'm going to tell you how to create menu, how to make this animated header, okay, and how to make this animations effect, and this this called icon box, how to make the icon box and how to customize them, okay, how to add the images, text and bottom with the icons. And after that, here is also another type of it also called the icon box only, but icon change in left side, okay. Here you can see that the icon was in top side, but here you can see the icon is in left side, and here is the beautiful counter box, okay. And after that, I use master slider. It's actually extra, it's a bonus one for you. See how beautiful this is. And after that, I am going to tell you how you can make the spicing table, the spice table actually. So many professional website you can see these features, okay. And after that, the beautiful slider testimonial, okay, it's totally slider and totally responsive. And after that, our team, how you can make it, it's very easy actually, okay. So without wasting time, let's start. To install WordPress in the local server, here I am using local server. So first of all, you have to download that XAMPP, okay. For that, you have to open that apachefriend.org index.html, and then you have to click in this. If you use Windows, then click here. If you use Linux, then click, and if you use Mac, then click here, okay. So after click, you will get the setup file, and after that, double click, you have to install it. And after install, when you open XAMPP control panel, it will look like that, okay. It will be look like that first of all, and after that, you have to on this Apache, and after that, you have to on the MySQL, okay. Then after that, what you have to do, then you have to come wordpress.org, and you have to download this. Here you can see that download WordPress is written. You have to click there. One zip file will be get downloaded, and it will look like that. When you open the zip file, you will get file like that. In between, WordPress file will be there. You have to unzip it and copy this WordPress file, and you have to paste this, and you can rename that also. Like here, I rename it in agency, and I paste it in. You have to come in C drive, and C drive XAMPP will be there, or AMP, whatever you can pronounce. In that htdoc will be one file, yeah, that is the htdocs. In between, you have to paste it. After paste, here I just rename it as agency, okay. Now for open that, you have to come in the browser, and after that, you have to type localhost. After localhost, this page will be open, and after that, you have to come in phpMyAdmin, okay. After clicking, this window will open. Then you have to create a database. You have to create new, and you have to type the database name, and you have to click create. I already create, you can see one agency, you can see here agency, AGENCY, After that, to link up the database with your server and file, you have to open it again. Then you have to type localhost / that file name main agency, and after that wp, sorry, you have to type agency. Okay, you have to install it first of all, WordPress. From that you have to select English or whatever you want. You can choose any language there. I am comfortable in English, so after clicking English, click here in continue. Then you have to give the site title. I am writing here dev agency. Okay, whatever you can give, whatever your name, I don't know. So after username I'm giving the password. I don't want to use it first of all. Okay, password keep it empty, and username I am giving admin only. Let's keep the one password also. I am giving the password admin also, and if you want strong password, then you can choose other. Here I am giving admin only, and confirm weak password, and you have to give your real email ID here. Because by using that only you have to update, and you will get a lot of notification also in this email ID. So use real email ID, and after that you have to click in install WordPress. After that installing will be start. Get installed now. After that you have to log in here, and for the login, for getting this window, you can do one thing also. Here you can type wp admin, then also the same window will open. Okay, after that give the username and password admin, whatever you give at the time of installation, you have to give the same thing. After that this dashboard will open. Okay, when you download Betheme, it will come like that in a RAR file. You have to unzip it. Okay, then you will get this one, and from there I have to copy this Betheme folder. Just copy it, and you have to paste it in. You have to come in your the C drive. From the C drive you have to come in exam. From that you have to come in htdocs. In htdocs, this is my project folder agency. From there you have to come in wp content. From there you have to get themes, and you have to paste it here in the Betheme. Okay, after that come in application here. Okay, appearance theme, you will get the Betheme here. You have to activate, like I already activated actually. By default it will come like live preview and activate, so you have to click in the activate. So after that you have to come in dashboard, and it will asking permission for installing some plugin. So you have to click in bulk action and install and apply. So the theme will be get automatically, sorry, the plugin will be get automatically installed, and for that you need active internet connection. It will take some time, so I'll come back after it get installed. Now all the plugin get installed. After that it will look like that. You have to click now this return to required plugin installer. After again clicking this, and you need to activate all. Okay, just apply. All will be get activated automatically. Yeah, all is activated now. First of all, we have to create the menu. For creating menu, we have to come in appearance. From their menu, and by default the menu will be, when you click in the menu, it will look like that. So you have to enter the name here as a main menu or whatever you want. Okay, after that you have to save it. After clicking save menu, you can see like that. So here for my design I have to make some custom links. Okay, so the custom link will be about us, and for the about us I have to specify the URL, and it should be has about. Has okay. Now I need another thing, app screenshot. App screenshot. Again you have to click in add menu, or you can give here URL as app. Okay, whatever you can give the link. Okay, after that another is pricing table. And here also give the same thing, has. Make sure when you specify the URL there should not be an empty gap. After that I need our team. Here give team, and I need another thing, contact us. Contact us. After that you have to save it here, and sorry, before that specify the ID also, contact, and add menu. After that in the main menu settings, here you have to choose where you want to show it. Okay, so I want to show it as a main menu. Okay, so you have to click in the main menu, and after that you have to save it. Now you're going to learn how you can make a slider or a header. For my design I am going to design a header, and for that I am going to use this slider revolutions. Okay, so let's move there. Now you have to prepare the sliders. For preparing sliders you have to click here in the slider revolution. After click, this window will open. Okay, so click in new slider, and here it's asking the which layout you want. Anything you can select from here. Okay, choose anything from here, and most important you have to give some name. I'm giving home slider, giving the same thing. I'm choosing this one, and full screen I'm choosing here. Let's save it. Now I need this colored one. Choose the color. Yeah, I like this one. And you can choose the gradient also. Let's choose this one. After that you need to add some text and all. Scroll down. Add some layer. I will type some text. You can see this text come here, so I need the resize it once. I need this bigger, so make it like 80 pixel. And I need this alignment should be center. I need some bottoms also, so click here and you have to choose which type bottom you need. I like this one, so just change the text here, like whatever you can give, like get started. Okay, just drag it down. I need to add some image also. Select the image. I have this I need this one. Open it. After that, new insert. It's become very big, so I don't need that much big image, so you need to resize it. And it's more small. Okay, that's done almost. So save it, save slider. Let's check the preview. That would look quite nice. You can decide this size of the bottom also if you want it bigger. And I'm going to take another bottom, so take another and click in the same thing. You can drag in downside and write buy now. Okay, you can make this text little bigger, more bigger if you want. For editing, I think you have to come this downside. It's not working. Okay, keep it as it is. So just make it little top, save it. After slider get ready, you have to come down in page, give a name of a page. I mean, first of all, add new, and like I'm giving home. Okay, and come downside, and you have to choose the slider here. Choose the home slider, click in publish. See, oh, this gets overlapped, so you need to change it again. And the slider revelation, sorry, yeah, slider editor. Save it, preview it once. Little downside. Save it, refresh it. Yeah, now it's okay. If you want to change the header background with the image, I mean, here as you already see, I use the colored background. Okay, you can take an image also as a background. For that, you have to click in this one, I mean main background image. Okay, after that you have to click in media library, and from there you have to choose the image, and after that you have to click in insert. So you can see my background color gets changed with a image. Okay, now you have to save it. Let's see in the browser how it's look like. Now see, the colored background change with the image background. Okay, so after that, what I have to do, we have to create the page. For creating page, you have to click in page, and after clicking in page, you have to click in add new. So after that, this window will open. So here, first of all, you have to give the name of the page. I'm giving here home. So after, you can use, I mean, Visual Builder, but I'm going to use the Muffin builder. Okay, it's the best option for me, I think so. So first of all, you have to come in add session. In add session, you can see this window. So first of all, you have to come in this called edit option, this pencil called edit. Okay, so after click there, you have to come in down, and first of all, your first work is you have to specify the ID name. So I am going to make this as about session, so let it be about. Okay, and save it. Okay, so after that, we need to take a, you have to click in add warp, add wrap, and after that in add item. I'm going to make the heading first of all. Okay, so creating the heading, you have to first of all come in and search here in fancy heading. In fancy heading, you can see here, you have to click it here. Okay, after that you have to click in the edit option of the fancy heading. Okay, in the title we have to give the title. Here I am writing why is it special. Okay, so after that, and here I am going to use some icon, this icon. Okay, so click in the icon and make sure here you already click the icon. Okay, and after that, if you want any animation effect, there is lot of animation effect. You can see that I'm using bouncing up. Okay, and after that just save the changes. After that I need a divider, so again you have to click in add item. After that just divider, you can say in divider which type of divider you want, you have to specify. Yeah, of course I want to use the theme color. I'm going to tell you how to choose the theme color after that in the setting. So after that you have to come in the style, and in this line you have to choose that narrow, because I want a small line in downside of the fancy header. Okay, so click the narrow and save the changes, and you can specify the height. I mean, after this divider, how much height should be there, so I'm specifying 30 pixel. Okay, so just save it. After that I need icon boxes, and total icon boxes should be 3. So add another wrap. Okay, and give some padding. So here you can you can see you can give the padding in this format. Okay, so I'm giving the top and bottom 30 pixel, and left and right is 0 pixel. Okay, and you can give the individual, this should be top, then right, down, and left side. Okay, this way also you can give, don't change anything here. And after that save it, save changes. After that again click in the add item and search for icon box. Yeah, this is the icon box, you can click there, and I need total 3. So here you can see 1/4, but I need 1/3 of the size, so click in the plus. Okay, and now edit it. So in the title I'm going to give easy to use, and in the content I'm giving some dummy text. Now you have to choose the icon. Here I'm just scroll down, you can choose any icon. Here I am giving this one. Okay, thumbs up. After that, by default I need in top position only, so by default it's in top only, so don't edit anything. And animation effect, gift bouncing up. After that just save it. So I need it more 2 times. This called copy. Okay, or duplicate or clone. So edit that one also, and change the heading, give the dummy text as it is, okay, and says some another icon, special some icon, so icon feather is okay, and I can save it. Here also do the same. Okay, just come down and you can see the customizable icon, just search for the suitable icon, okay, and come downside and just save the changes, okay. After that you can publish it and let's look the change. And before that you have to come down and for the choose the slider, you have to come down and here you can see what media, so I need the home slider, okay. So update it. Let's check the preview how it's look like. So you'll get an idea how it's look like. See, till now it come perfectly, okay. So after that what we have to do, after that take another refer, add another session, or you can use the same also by using another wrapper. I don't need that, and if you don't need that, just click in the cross sign and okay. So add another wrap. In the wrap also give some padding, so another 30 pixel top and down and 0 pixel right and left, okay. So just save the changes. Add item, else you can do one thing, I need half of that, I don't need it in the full width, okay. So just click in the minus button, you can till 1/2 is not come, yeah, it's half is come now. So just copy it first of all, so margin and padding should be same for both. After that click in the edit option, now I need some images, okay. So after that add item, in the add item just click in the image, see the image is come. So I need this image should be full of this half, okay. So just click the plus couple of times, so one by one, so it's coming full width. After that just click in the edit option and choose the image whatever you want. I want this one, and if you want to specify some alternate of the image, you can give image about. After that okay, select file and how you want to present, so image should be alignment should be centered, and if you want to stretch, no, I don't want now, and top of the image, bottom of the image, okay. You can, there is so many options which be there. If you want some animation, so bounce in, whatever you can, or zoom in also, you will be look good, okay. And here also you can specify some alternate text, and there also when you link up there also you can add some alternate text, okay. And if you want some caption, you can give here. So save the changes now. So after that what I need here I need a column, add item, in the typography you can find this column, and I want this should be the full width of that hub, okay. So make it for edit option, I have to add the text here. So I'm taking H1. I want a big heading, and if you know how to write CSS, that will be the exact same way. So I'm giving some styles. So style equal to double quote color, and here the color what I need is 63279D. Okay, so give some heading. Okay, so after that take the paragraph tag, P close and P open and P close, and in between I need some paragraph. So copy some dummy text and paste here. So yeah, it's over now. So after that just scroll it down and save the changes. So after that we need to button. For that the button you have to click again here. Sorry, you have to click again in add item and search button. Okay, I need it should be in the half of the width maximum, so it should be 1/2. So click plus. Yeah, it's come now. So after that click in the edit option. So here in the title give Google Store, whatever you want text in the bottom you can keep. For my need of the requirement I'm typing Google Store, and so where you want the alignment should be the center, and after that you can choose some icon also. I'm giving this Android icon here, and you can customly specify the color. Okay, so after that save it, and I need another time also, so you can edit that, changing that Apple Store and changing the icon of Apple. Where it's gone? Yeah, this one, and save it. Let's check how it's look like now. So update it first. After the updation get completed, preview. Okay, it will take some time for loading. See, but I want some different background color and the text color for that. Okay, so come back here, just edit again. So the background color I want this. After clicking here, just click in outside, you can see it's come automatically, and the font color I want white. Okay, after that click in outside once or twice. Okay, it's gone now. So after that save the changes and do same for that also. That give the background color that. Okay, and keep it in white. Save the changes, update it, and let's check. I think it should come with different bottom color and text. See, it's white now. It's reloading now. see it's come. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we need that awesome features session. Okay, so come here again, I mean you can understand now. I mean I'm going to design after this till it's over, and I'm going to design this session now. Okay, this awesome features and couple of icon box along with the counter. Okay, so for that I need another session, so add session. After add session, another fancy heading I needed. Okay, so click here. Oh, you can give first of all ID. Okay, so what's the ID I have for the awesome session? I mean awesome features. I think I forgot to give the menu for the awesome features session. Let's check. Yeah, I forgot, so add it, don't worry. Okay, so let's give the title of the session awesome features, and here also add ID with just add the dash here. Okay, I tell you now, ID when you pasting the ID there should not be any gap. Okay, so save it and let's update it for save the changes, and after that just add it in the menu. Okay, because there is no awesome features, I need awesome features, so just come in the appearance, in the menu. What is it? Why it's come here like that? Yeah, so just create another custom link. So awesome features, and what are the ID I specify? So give the hash ID, and we add dash here na, so keep the dash here and add in menu. So it's coming down, don't worry, drag it in top. Okay, and I need our home link also there, so come in pages, because there is no home now, it's not look good, so we are going to design this home, I think. Yeah, so add in menu and drag in top. Okay, now save it. Refresh, you can see this awesome features get added. Yeah, it's come. Okay, so come in page again, and this home we are working now, so come in the awesome features. Where it gone? Yeah, so add wrapper. After add wrapper I have to add fancy heading, add item, fancy heading, and the fancy heading what we should write, awesome features. Okay, and in icon, what icon you want? I want this heart icon, and save it. After that we need the divider. So in the divider, same thing again, it should be default, it should be narrow, yes, and give 30 pixel, 30 or 40, 30 is enough. Okay, 30 pixel, save it. So after that we need another wrap. So in the wrap you have to give the padding 30 pixel top and bottom, and 0 pixel for right and left, and after that again save it. So what I need now, I need icon box, total 6 icon box. So give the icon box. So I need 3 in a single row, so plus, edit it, give the heading, give some random text. After that choose any icon, and here you have to change the icon position in left. Okay, the remaining you can add the animation effect, save the changes. Now make the duplicate another 5 times. Okay, total 6 is ready. Now change that text whatever you want. If you want to change, because it's a dummy project, so I'm not going to change that content here, and I'm changing only the, so first and simple, this one will be look good. Yeah, save it, and for it also I'm clean code. Okay, so clean code, the icon should be this one. So after that save the changes, and for it perfect designing, so it should be a right sign. Where it gone, this one. Okay, so save it, and after that what I need, best industry leader, so it should look like diamond. Okay, come here, diamond, where it gone, diamond. Can you see the diamond icon here? Oh no, where diamond icon gone? It should be here somewhere. Else you can do one thing, you can directly type here. Save it. Yeah. It's not changing. Why it's not changing? I need the diamond line. Yeah, this is the diamond. Okay, save it, and after that what I need 24/7 online support. Change it, and the icon, some mic or miss symbol, mic, where it's gone? Yeah, that is here, and save it. Now let's see how it's look like. So update it now. After the updation complete, you have to click in preview changes. Okay, it's look very beautiful. So after that, till that it's in, so we need this counter box now. Okay, and with a background. For full with background, I think you have to add in another session. It's compulsory, so add a session. I need to change the background color, so this is, you can take any background color. Here I'm changing that. Okay, so after that you have to click in outside. So after that, if you have any image also, you can use here by browsing here. Okay, this background image. Okay, but here I'm using background color. Yes, so save the changes, and if you want some padding also, I think, yeah, padding top 30 and down 30. And here because it's I1, you can change, you can see there it's like, if you know the bootstrap, it's in container array, but this is in container fluid, so we have to change something. Okay, and for the change, no, I think you don't need to change, you have to change only the background only. Let's see. Or save it, and after that add wrapper, and after that add item. In item add the counter, search for the counter. So yeah, this counter, I need 4 counters, so 1 by 4, it's okay. So edit it, and I need counter color. By default it's actually, I think it's black, but I need white. So, and I want the color should be, I mean the image, sorry, the text is should be h4. okay, I mean heading 4. So style and color should be white, and white hash code is I don't need use hash sign, and close the h4, and I need website designing. Okay, paste it, and the web designing, yeah, this icon look okay, and after that you have to come little down, and you have to give the numbers. Here I am using number. If you want some prefix like percentage or something, you can give in prefix. Okay, I really don't know, I never use the postfix. Okay, I use the prefix sometime, but here I have not needed that, because I am using website. How many website we designed? So till now we designed 90 plus website, so I'm giving the 90 only, and after that you can change that horizontal. Okay, vertical means it will be in a single line, but horizontal will be little more stylish. You can add some animation effect and save it. So copy it for more 3 times. So for another thing, what I write, you just check the happy client, 200 happy client. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to change it first of all. Happy client, and happy client symbol here, this one I think, yeah, happy client, and after that we have 300 plus of happy client. Okay, so remaining keep same and save the changes. And after that what we need ongoing project, so we have 32 ongoing project at the time. Okay, so ongoing project make it 32. Okay, so make save the changes, and after that what is there, SEO project, let's misspell that. Okay, whatever. So you have to come here and edit, and so give some number, SEO project. So save it and change, see how it look like. Okay, for this changing the icon, actually I use custom CSS. I'll tell you later how to use the custom CSS for the changing the icons color. Okay, So changing the icon color, you have to come, actually I'm telling now, in the editor, sorry, in the Betheme option. You have to come in Betheme option, to add CSS. From here you can change that whatever you want. The number color, actually by default it will be changed some different. So inspect the element which they use for the icon. Let's keep it as it is. I'll tell you later in my another different video. Okay, so after that, which session we need? So this over. So app screenshot we need. So for the app screenshot we have to make a slider. Okay, for making the slider you have to come in master slider. This is actually extra plugin I'm going to use. It's not come with the by default Betheme. If you want, you can comment your mail ID in the comment section, so I'll send you that setup too. Okay, so after that, what you have to do, add a new slider in the, after coming master slider. So after that, click in the custom slider, and after that create new. Okay, it will take some time, little bit time. So add slides here, just click which slides by pressing Ctrl. If you click it, so it will be select multiple. Okay, so after that just create slides, and after that come in slide setting. After that you have to choose template, because I need some HTML template. So there is so many options. Whatever you want you can take, like I'm choosing this one. So save changes, click OK, and after that here would come here, change the width and height. So I'm giving here 300 by 500, sorry 500, and preview it how it's look like. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so save it, save the change. After saving it, you can see the shortcode here. Yeah, just copy that, keep the copy. Okay, after that you have to come back in the page. Okay, this page we are going to design now. This home we are designing now. So after that we need another session for designing app screenshot. Okay, so add another session. Okay, so give the for app screenshot what ID we use. We use app, I think. So come down, give the custom ID as app. After that save it. Okay, so save it, and if you give some padding, top and padding bottom. After that we need a wrap item fancy heading. You knew that, so I'm not going to tell again. Okay, you know that na, already I do twice. So what the fancy heading I need? App screenshot. Okay, just copy it, paste it here, and I need icon. So by default this icon is here, so I need this Picasa item, Picasa symbol. Yeah. Now is animation, yes, of course. Save. After that I need the divider, side item, divider. In the divider also you know how to need the settings. That will be default, this should be narrow, this should be yes, and that should be 30. Save the changes. And after that, for adding that slider you have to take a column. Okay, so add item, typography, column, make it in the full, and after that just paste the shortcode here. Sorry, shortcode I miss out, don't worry, I have to come it again in the dashboard, in master slider. Yeah, that's the shortcode, Control C. Paste it here, keep in top. Okay, master slider, and some alignment option. Yeah, text align should be center, and save it, and save and check how it's look like now. So update it. Change the preview, check the preview how it look like. Okay, this still okay, and counter also coming. Yeah, see the app screenshot come. Okay, so after that what you have to do, this till that over. After that we need this pricing plan. Okay, so add another session, so what attribute we use you have to see, I mean which ID we are use. Okay, pricing table. Okay, okay, this one. So edit it, give the padding top and down 30, and give the ID pricing table. Save the change, add refer, add item, and the item should be, you know it, tell me. Yes, the item should be fancy heading. Add the fancy heading. What is there? Pricing plan. Let's copy it now, because it's a project only and you are learning only. So after that, icon. Where is the symbol of the fire? Yes, of course. And after that, you also know that divider. Edit. In the settings also you see it so many times. Yes, 30. Okay, save it. After that, it's the new for you. So add item, and you need this spicing item. Okay, I need 4 only. Yes, of course I need the 4 only. You have to just click here. Okay, and after that in the image keep it empty. The title, you can see some title here, just copy it, paste it in title. Okay, price whatever you can give. I'm giving 29. Currency is dollar, give the dollar sign. Okay, now come down here, you can see some UL and LI. Okay, if you know HTML, very good, else do the same thing. Okay, copy this line 4-5 times, whatever you want. I think that's enough. 1 2 3 4 5. I mean this, if each li indicate a single line. Okay, so I need 1 2 3 4 5, so I need it 5 times. Okay, so after that just whatever is there now, I mean whatever you want to display here, just you have to copy here. Okay, it is that much simple. Okay, how this item will get there? I don't need items. Okay, like that, whatever in life, whatever you write, it will be get displayed here. As you can see in my previous project, I keep the item, so item will come like that. Okay, and now you can see here some bottom is there with some icon. So for that, what you have to do, yeah, you have to click whatever you write in the bottom text. Okay, so select plan. Okay, after that you have to click the symbol. The remaining is automatic. Yeah, if you want animation, of course you are welcome. After that, just copy it now. It's a dummy project only. So after starter plan, what was there? Let's see the basic plan. Copy it and let's change whatever you want. Okay, save it. So for that also it is little same only. Yeah, this is advanced plans, but you can see there is the background is changed and text color also, I mean just okay white. So for that also you have to do something. No, very little bit you have to do. Write some random, everything will be same as it is. Okay, one thing you have to change. Where it's gone? I have to search also. Yes, I got it. In advance you can see the feature, make it yes and save the change. And for that I need the community plan, copy, paste it here and make it 90 or whatever you want, and after that save it, update it, then after update preview the change, wait for refreshment. It's very easy, na? I know it's very easy. So come down, and you can see, boom, it's come. See, the exact way it come as it is. Okay na. So after that, what you need? After pricing plan, testimonial. Okay, it also very easy. Okay, but for the testimonial you have to come here. You can see this testimonial, come in, add new. So here the title, I don't want title. Clearly I'm telling you, I don't want title. I want this some random text. Just paste it here. Okay, choose the image by clicking the fuser image. This one look good. Okay, give the author name Ryan. Just give the author name here, that's it. Give the company name. You work me only, so I'm giving my company name only, webseotips. You can give the URL of the company here. I'm not going to doing here. Okay, so after the publish, after publishing you have to click in add new. Yeah, this add new come here, you can see, click here, add new. Again paste some random text, add image. Okay, other thing, Roy, company name Roy paper. Okay, publish. After publish, I need three is enough, so do more one time, add new. After that paste something. Of course you can give the title also, but here I am not using. Okay, so choose the image, author bowling thus. Okay, company same, she also work in my company, so okay, publish. Now you have to come back in page, this one we are doing, so wait till it's load. After come down, we need another session, I think na? So for adding the session, just click here, add session. Okay, so we need another fancy heading, another divider. Let's do it. Refer item, fancy heading. Okay, so click here, testimonial. Okay, remaining for the testimonial, what should be the sign now? For the testimonial, any sign? I'm giving that only, this speaker icon. Animated, yes, save it. Again, you know what is that? I'm not going to tell you again. That is divider, and the setting is same, 30, narrow, and yes, save it. After that we need the testimonial. So for that, this testimonial, not testimonial list. If you choose a testimonial list also okay, but it will come one by one, not in slider. If you want slider, then you have to click here. Okay, I think no change is needed. Yes, no, yeah. If you hide, I mean the style, just single photo. By default, it's the photo is, I mean the image is not showing. You have to choose the single photo, and you have to save it. Okay. So after testimonial, what we need? We need our team. So for that we have to add another session. Okay. So for the add session, I think I'll add session. Click here, make it the name of the title and give the ID team. After that, padding top and bottom 30 30 30 and 30. Okay. So after that, again same thing, add wrapper, add item, fancy heading, then the fancy heading, our team. Okay, and our team, what icon should I give? This one look good. Okay, give it icon. Yes, animation. Save the change. After that, again I have to add the divider. So divider 30, default, narrow, yes, save. After that we need team. So add item, search at team, T, our team list. So I have to choose our team. 1/4 is there in, let's check main, how many is there, 4 is there na. So okay, no problem. After that, edit, you have to choose icon, sorry, you have to choose the image. Okay, give the name, title, give the profession here. Okay, you can give this all, email ID, Facebook वगैरह, so many things there. Okay, yes, animation, copy it now, 4th time. Now let's copy the name, remove first of all, and that. Okay, so here we change the name. I can change the social media marketing expert. Okay, save the change. Now what the name was, Renuka Dash. So it is professional and very good, really. So SEO, SEO expert. Change the image. Okay, change the image. Here also change the image and Android design or designer. Okay, save it. Okay, and after that I have to design this get in touch with us main address one. Okay, so for that I have to need another session, give the padding top and bottom. Okay, so this one is contact, so give the name contact and id custom id is contact and padding top and down 30 and 30 and save it here. After that add wrapper, and after add wrapper you have to take the column. No, how do you do it now? Yes, item. So after that, as usual, add wrapper, add the fancy heading, edit it, contact us. Okay, give some symbol whatever. Okay, is there any icon of Facebook? We're indicating contact, I think. Contact us. So yes, divider had it gone and the item divider. So divider come, the divider 30, narrow, yes, sub. After that add item typography, add a column, make it full width. Okay, need h1, get in touch with us. After that and some custom text, copy it. What was there, just check once. Copy it, everything, paste it here, and for I need the next line. This indicates this symbol indicate the BR, the next line tag. Okay, after that text align, center, giving padding 20 pixel or 20 pixel, 0 pixel. Yes, some animation, give some animation, save it. Oh, I think it's ended now. It's going to be a very long video, but if you're seeing this video, you can make a very good beautiful website. I think if you come to a professional developer or designer or a WordPress developer for making this type of website, they take like $600-700. So better to watch these tutorials, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section so I can help you. So no need to wasting the time to going to the professional fine, you can design it on. See, it's calm, everything perfect. Oh, I think I make some disturb with that. I mean, it's not center. I think it's going. I select right, so it come in right hand side. Let's check it once, na. I think I do wrong. See, yes, I have to make it center. Okay, accept the change, update it. Preview the changes. Click in contact us. See, it's come perfectly now. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. And if you want to get the latest notification, please hit the bell icon side of the subscribe button. Thank you.